Have you ever wondered if the reality you see around you right now is actually just one tiny slice of infinite possibilities? What if I told you that quantum physics has proven that your consciousness literally shapes the world you experience, and that most people are walking around completely unaware of this incredible power they possess? By the end of this video, you'll understand how to tap into quantum mechanics to transform your life in ways that will seem almost magical to everyone around you. But here's the thing that scientists don't want you to know. The quantum field responds to your thoughts and intentions in real time. And there's a window of opportunity happening right now in 2025 that makes this knowledge more accessible than ever before. So stick around, because what I'm about to share with you could literally change everything about how you experience reality. Let's start with something mind-blowing that happened in a laboratory just last year. Researchers at Princeton discovered that when they had volunteers simply observe quantum particles through monitoring equipment, the particles behaved completely differently than when no one was watching. This isn't just some abstract physics concept. This is proof that consciousness and reality are interconnected in ways that most people never imagined possible. Think about your own life for a moment. Have you ever noticed how when you're in a really positive mindset, good things seem to just flow to you naturally? Or when you're stressed and anxious, everything seems to go wrong at once? That's not coincidence. That's quantum mechanics in action. And once you understand how it works, you can start using it intentionally. The quantum field is essentially an invisible web of energy that connects everything in the universe. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, sends ripples through this field. Most people are unconsciously broadcasting signals that attract exactly what they don't want into their lives. But when you learn to work with quantum principles deliberately, you become like a master conductor orchestrating your own reality. Here's where it gets really exciting. In quantum physics, there's something called the observer effect. This means that the very act of observing something changes its behavior at the most fundamental level. When you focus your attention on something with clear intention, you're literally collapsing infinite quantum possibilities into the specific reality you want to experience. Let me give you a practical example of how this works. Imagine you're looking for a new job. Most people approach this by scrolling through job listings, sending out resumes, and hoping something sticks. But someone who understands quantum reality approaches it completely differently. They start by getting crystal clear on exactly what they want. Not just any job, but the specific type of work environment, salary range, company culture, and growth opportunities they desire. Then they use what quantum physicists call coherence. This means aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions all toward the same outcome. Instead of just thinking about wanting a good job while feeling anxious about money, you cultivate the emotional state of already having that perfect position. You feel grateful, excited, and confident as if it's already happening. What's happening at the quantum level is that you're creating a coherent signal that resonates through the quantum field. Opportunities that were always there but invisible to you suddenly become apparent. People you need to meet show up in your life. Conversations happen that lead to unexpected openings. It seems like magic, but it's actually just physics. The reason most people never experience this is because they're operating in what quantum physicists call incoherence. Their thoughts are pulling in one direction, their emotions in another, and their actions in yet another direction. This creates what you could think of as static in the quantum field. Instead of broadcasting a clear signal, they're sending out conflicting messages that cancel each other out. But here's something incredible that's happening right now. We're living in a time when quantum technologies are becoming mainstream. Quantum computers are being developed by major corporations. Quantum communication networks are being built. The entire technological landscape is shifting to align with quantum principles, and this is creating what researchers are calling a quantum consciousness awakening. More people than ever before are becoming aware of their ability to influence reality through consciousness. The information that was once hidden in secret government programs and advanced physics laboratories is now available to anyone who seeks it out. You're literally living at the perfect time in history to develop these abilities. Now let me share with you 3 specific quantum techniques that you can start using immediately to see dramatic changes in your life experience. The first technique is called quantum visualization, and it's completely different from regular visualization that most people are familiar with. With regular visualization, you imagine what you want as if it's happening in the future. With quantum visualization, you experience it as if it's happening right now in a parallel reality that already exists. According to quantum theory, all possible versions of your life exist simultaneously in what's called the multiverse. When you quantum visualize, you're not trying to create something new. You're connecting with a version of reality where what you want has already occurred. Here's how you do it. Close your eyes and imagine stepping into a parallel version of your life where everything you desire has already manifested. Don't just see it, fully inhabit it. Feel the emotions, hear the sounds, smell the scents, experience the physical sensations. The key is to make it so real that your nervous system can't tell the difference between the visualization and actual experience. When you do this consistently, you're training your consciousness to resonate with that particular quantum reality. Over time, your external circumstances will begin shifting to match that internal state. It's like tuning your radio to a specific frequency. Once you're locked in, you start receiving that signal clearly. The second technique is quantum gratitude. Most people think gratitude is about appreciating what you already have. Quantum gratitude is about being thankful for what exists in the quantum field of possibilities before it shows up in your physical reality. You're essentially sending a signal to the universe that you recognize and appreciate the infinite abundance that's always available to you. Start each day by feeling genuine gratitude for 3 things that exist in quantum possibility but haven't manifested yet. Maybe it's the perfect relationship, the ideal living situation, or the creative project you want to bring into the world. Feel the same appreciation you would feel if these things were already physically present in your life. This technique works because gratitude is one of the highest vibrational emotions. When you operate from gratitude, you're automatically aligning with positive quantum outcomes. You're broadcasting a signal that says you expect good things to happen, and the quantum field responds by delivering experiences that match that expectation. The third technique is quantum decision-making. Every choice you make creates a split in your timeline, sending you down one path while simultaneously creating alternate versions of yourself that chose differently. Most people make decisions based on fear, limitation, or what seems practical given their current circumstances, but quantum decision makers choose based on the reality they want to create. Before making any significant decision, ask yourself this question: which choice would the version of me living my ideal life make? Then make that choice. Even if it seems scary or impractical from your current perspective, you're essentially choosing to step into the timeline where that version of yourself exists. This might mean taking a job that pays less but aligns with your passion, ending a relationship that's comfortable but not fulfilling, or investing in yourself even when money is tight. Each quantum choice moves you closer to the reality where everything you want already exists. Now here's something really important that most people miss when they start working with quantum principles. There's usually a period that quantum physicists call the transition phase. This is when you've started shifting your consciousness but your external reality hasn't caught up yet. During this time, it might seem like nothing is happening, or things might even appear to get worse before they get better. This happens because your old reality is dissolving while your new reality is still forming. It's like being between radio stations where you might hear static before tuning into the new frequency clearly. Most people give up during this phase, thinking the techniques aren't working. But this is actually when the most powerful transformation is happening at the quantum level. The key is to maintain what quantum researchers call coherent persistence. Keep applying the techniques even when you don't see immediate results. Trust that massive changes are occurring in the invisible realm that will soon become visible in your physical experience. This phase usually lasts between 3 to 6 months, depending on how consistently you practice and how deeply ingrained your old patterns were. There's also something called quantum synchronicities that start appearing during this transition time. These are meaningful coincidences that seem too perfect to be random chance. You might think of someone and they call you. You might need information and it appears exactly when you need it. You might meet the perfect person at the perfect time in the most unexpected place. These synchronicities are actually signs that you're successfully connecting with quantum possibilities. They're like breadcrumbs showing you that you're on the right path. The more you notice and acknowledge them, the more frequently they occur. It's as if the universe is confirming that you're learning to work with quantum principles effectively. One of the most powerful aspects of quantum reality is that it responds not just to your individual consciousness but to collective consciousness as well. This means that when you start operating from quantum principles, you're not just transforming your own life, you're contributing to a global shift in consciousness that's happening right now. More people than ever are waking up to these possibilities, and this creates what quantum physicists call a morphic field effect. As more people learn to work with quantum consciousness, it becomes easier for others to develop these abilities too. You're literally part of a species-wide evolution in how humans relate to reality. This is why timing matters so much. We're in a unique window where the collective consciousness is ready for this information. The old paradigm of feeling powerless and at the mercy of external circumstances is dissolving. A new paradigm is emerging where people understand themselves as conscious creators working in partnership with the quantum field. But here's the thing about quantum transformation. It requires you to take action in the physical world as well as working with consciousness. The quantum field responds to coherent intention, but it also responds to inspired action. When you align your thoughts and emotions with what you want, opportunities will appear, but you still need to recognize those opportunities and act on them. This is where many people get stuck. They do the visualization and feel good about their goals, but then they wait for things to happen magically without any effort on their part. Quantum creation is a partnership between consciousness and action. Your job is to hold the vision and emotional alignment while staying open and responsive to guidance from the quantum field. Sometimes this guidance comes as intuitive hunches about what action to take. Sometimes it comes as opportunities that appear in unexpected ways. Sometimes it comes as people who show up with exactly what you need. Your job is to stay alert and follow through when these quantum breadcrumbs appear. The most successful quantum creators develop what I call quantum courage. This is the willingness to act on inspiration even when it doesn't make logical sense from your current perspective. Maybe you feel called to attend an event where you don't know anyone, or to reach out to someone who seems way out of your league, or to pursue an opportunity that feels too good to be true. Quantum courage means trusting that the same intelligence that orchestrates the movement of planets and the growth of trees is also guiding your life toward your highest possibilities. You don't need to figure out how everything will work out. You just need to take the next inspired step and trust that the path will continue to unfold. As you continue developing your quantum abilities, you'll notice that life starts feeling more magical and synchronistic. Things that used to be difficult start flowing effortlessly. Resources appear when you need them. The right people show up at the right time. Solutions emerge for problems that seemed impossible to solve. This isn't because you're getting lucky. It's because you're learning to work in harmony with the fundamental forces that shape reality. You're becoming what quantum physicists call a conscious observer, someone who understands their role in creating the reality they experience. Remember, every single moment is a choice point where infinite possibilities exist. Right now, as you're listening to these words, there are countless versions of your future available in the quantum field. The version that manifests depends entirely on the consciousness you choose to embody and the actions you choose to take. The quantum field is always responding to you, whether you're aware of it or not. The question is whether you want to create your life consciously and intentionally, or let it happen by default based on unconscious patterns and reactions. The power is entirely in your hands, and now you have the knowledge to use it effectively. Your quantum transformation starts right now, in this moment, with the decision to see yourself not as a victim of circumstances but as a conscious creator working with the most powerful forces in the universe. The reality you want already exists in the quantum field of possibilities. Your job is simply to align with it and allow it to manifest through you.